Alright guys, welcome to Backyard Smoke. I'm your host James, and today we're going to be making some whole grilled tilapia on the grill. It's going to be awesome. As you can see, we have our tilapia already scaled, already gutted, straight from the butcher, because I'm kind of lazy and did not feel like scaling these in the backyard again. So, first thing you're going to do, get you a really good steak knife. I'll link some of my favorite ones in the description, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to go and score each side of your fish. This is going to help you get the seasonings in there. It's going to help you get your flavors going, the smoke to penetrate it. Don't go too deep, just about, I don't know, not even a full inch, about half an inch, and then you'll be good to go. As you can see, I'm not that good at it, but hey, hopefully you are better than me. Alright, once you're finished scoring it, get you some nice olive oil. Just rub it on there. Not too much. A little bit goes a long way. We're just trying to get a little binder and also help it to get it crisp. Here, I just got an equal parts salt, pepper, and garlic. What else got in this? Paprika and some onion powder. As you see, we're going to go ahead and pat it in there and just make it look nice, man. Get some on the inside too while you're at it. Get that flavor going. This is fish. You want it to be flavorful and you want it to taste good. You can see I'm kind of rubbing it on the inside. That way it just sticks to there. When you're done, get your herbs and your citrus. We got some tangerines, some lemons, some limes, some thyme, some rosemary. Just get you one of the little poultry packs at the grocer. They're usually in the little side out Kroger's in the fridge or something like that. And just stuff the go ahead and stuff your fish up. You can't go wrong, and it's going to smell delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of these and show you how it's done. Alright, so now we are here on the pits, getting warmed up. Just gonna get rid of some of that dirty smoke. First things first, spray your grates down. Fish does stick to the grates, so make sure you spray it down and let it sit for a minute. This way, the oils have a chance to go ahead and get where they need to be. As you can see here, we got all four of our tilapias set up and they're ready to go. First, we're going to put them into this basket. Once again, spray it with some oil. Don't do it, good luck to you. I've done this before and didn't spray them, and it just messed the skin up. Bad presentation. I recommend spraying all parts of the grate, especially when you're putting these tilapias in. Once you got your fish inside the wire baskets, go ahead and get that top lid secure. Make sure that it is a little bit snug. You don't want to smash it, but you do want them snug so that when you flip it, your fish and everything on the inside doesn't fall out. So we got our fish right over direct heat. We're cooking in between 375 and 400. This is going to be a very fast cook. We're going to leave these on 7 minutes per side. Feel free, if they're a little bit bigger or smaller, obviously adjust your timing. but just 7 minutes worked perfect for this size. As you can see, these flipped nicely. Of course, the handle didn't want to come out the grate, and I couldn't find my grill gloves, but hey, we made it work. As you can see the nice, beautiful color. These look good. Make sure they're right with direct coals, and man, I can't wait to taste these. Once these reach an internal temperature of 145, go ahead and pull them. You can pull them a little bit sooner, around 142, let it carry over, heat tube. I pulled these at 145 exactly. Let it rest for about 3 minutes, just to make sure the skin releases from the grates, just in case they got stuck. Kind of be a little bit patient. They'll still be nice and warm. But as you can see here, these came out perfectly. This one's just got real nice, real tender. A little bit of stuff fell out, but no worries. We're still gonna eat. You see this one came out a little bit easier. That's why I said you want to make sure you spray your grates so you don't have any skin or anything left over. Alright, so the fish is done. It looks delicious. Smells good with the herbs, the spices. Let's go ahead and get into it. I can zoom y'all down a little something. There you go. It's nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Flaky. Oh my god. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. So get past the little skin, the crust, let's pull it off. Tastes delicious. 7 minutes per side. A little bit more if you're going below 400. Use some lemon juice or whatever, and you're good. So guys, I want to say thanks again for watching. Appreciate you guys. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers at the time of posting this video. So I really pray we can get there. I think we're like 2,850, something like that. So if you guys can like, subscribe, share, that'll be awesome. Summertime is here. We're going to have some awesome cooks, some awesome tests. Hey, Gomez. You know the food is good when the dogs come in. They ready. So I'm gonna finish eating. I'm enjoying this. Won't be the last time I cook. Y'all keep it cool. See y'all next video.